Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to fix Xampp MySQL PHP admin access denied error. So whenever you try to open localhost PhpMyAdmin and at that moment you are facing this error, don't worry, right now I will show you how you can easily get rid of this error. First of all, open your Xampp control panel and you have to stop Apache and MySQL. Now click on Explorer and then you will directly jump into your Xampp folder. And now from your Xampp folder, you have to open MySQL folder and open bin folder. And inside of bin folder, scroll down and here you will find this my.ini file. So you have to edit this file a little bit. Just open this file using our text editor. And now in this text editor, here we have to press Ctrl F and in the search box type MySQL and search for it. And here you will find this text MySQL. And here you have to add skip-grant-tables after MySQL and then just save changes. And now again go to your Xampp control panel and start Apache and MySQL. Once you successfully started Apache and MySQL, now just click on admin next to MySQL and you will see your problem has been successfully fixed. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.